1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I lower this?
Yeah.
10. Was that 10?
Yeah, very good ones. Perfect. Penny's gonna help you.
11, 12, 13, 14,
Do it.
15, 16,
A little lower.
Oh, she's good.
17, 18, 19, 20,
Take a break. No? Oh.
21,
5 more. 4 more. You got it.
22,
Ooh.
23,
A little bit lower.
24,
Perfect. Last one.
25, 26.
Whoa!
See the package on the chairs? That's for you.
Yay!
Wow.
Ah, my shoulder.
I don't know if you have strength to open it now. Can you see?
I do.
Let's see.
But it hurts. I'll open it by myself. Or can you help me? Okay, I'll open it by myself. Oh, that was easy. To open. Okay. Are you serious? It's a mermaid swimsuit. Thank you.
Is that the one you wanted?
Yes, it was.
Go try it on.
Alright.
Maya, what do you think of your new swimsuit?
I love it.
Show me your fins.
I love it. It's so big, pretty. Whoa.
Oh, that's all.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.